Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Firoz Muhammad here. So I'm a Microsoft Dynamics 365 certified consultant, corporate trainer, as well as I founded Magnifez Technologies. So in this video, I'll just show you how you can just perform binary search on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So when you have LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can just perform a lot type of searches in order to find the leads as well as accounts. Right? You can simply search using the discover options, or you can just search using the lead builder, search for leads, search for accounts, or you can simply search from here for leads, accounts, mentions in the news, or even search for recent job changes that you can just perform. For example, I'm just trying to find out the Dynamics for CRM developers, so I can just look for that here. Then I'll be able to see the result of that. So I got 12,071 profiles over here. I can simply search Microsoft Dynamics CRM developer. So different profiles. Now I can just filter it out. I just want to also get people who have Dynamics CRM consultant also in their profile. So I can just simply search. So this is a basic search that you do. Now, if you just want to search for people who have their job title as Dynamics 5 CRM developer or Dynamics 5 CRM technical consultant, in such a situation, what you can do, you can just perform a Boolean search, or I would say a binary search. So for that, what I'll do is I'll just put quotes around this one. Then I put or. So what you simply did here is you just mentioned this keyword Dynamics 5 CRM developer or Dynamics 5 technical consultant. I would say CRM once again here. So that will search for the profiles in LinkedIn satisfying both these keywords. Now I can just go through my search condition over here and then search result and filter out, and then I can see whether I got the record result. Okay, so I even find out some of the people are architect with the Dynamics 365 in their job title, Dynamics 5 for operation, etc. So I just need to filter out further. So I can again add more keywords over here by adding or and here. Then I can perform it and I can get the result. That's how you just perform binary search in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I hope it was useful to you. And if you have any questions or comments, you can put that in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.